There are several wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces for you to choose from for your home decor endeavors. These items are often made with different wood types. Each wood has its own characteristics which makes pieces made to be different. Even if you cut same size pieces from a single tree, each piece has its own peculiarity in terms of grain pattern and look. Have a look at our today's collection of beautiful handmade wooden items while we tell you some facts about the different types of woods used in making them. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces for your home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Getting back to our promised discussion of wood types, we will start with maple trees, which are mostly native to Asia. But they are also found in Europe, North Africa, and North America. The maple wood is sturdy, resistant to splitting, and durable. It can be wiped clean with a damp cloth, making it ideal for kitchen furniture. The heartwood is typically a darker shade of reddish brown. Sapwood color ranges from nearly white to an off-white cream color, but it can be reddish or golden hue. It has a moderately hard but strong density and grains which are closed and generally straight, but may be wavy. Its common uses include everything from furniture and woodenware to flooring and millwork. It also takes all finishes. Teaks are tropical hardwood trees native to India, Myanmar, Burma, and Thailand. Teak wood is one of the hardest and most durable of all natural woods. It is resistant to rotting, sunlight, rain, frost, and snow, making it suitable for outdoor construction and furniture. However, it is expensive and sometimes hard to find. Regarding color, heartwood is golden or medium brown and darkens with age. It also has heavy and strong density. Grain is straight. Occasionally, it can be wavy or interlocked. Its common uses include boat building, veneer, furniture, exterior construction, carving, and turnings. It finishes best with wood lacquer. Beech trees are deciduous and native to temperate Europe, Asia, and North America. Beech wood is quite durable and resistant to abrasion and shock. Because beech steam bends as readily as ash, carpenters love to work with this wood. It also provides an elegant and dated look to furniture. However, it is not dishwasher safe. Its color is pink to reddish-brown heartwood, sapwood is creamy to pink. It has very hard and heavy density with grain configuration of straight with a fine to medium uniform texture. Its common uses include chair legs and backs, crates, pallets, railroad ties, flooring, food containers, toys, musical instruments, and woodenware. It takes all finishes. The rosewood trees grow in tropical environments including countries such as Brazil, India, and Madagascar. It comes with white chalky deposits that may dull tools and present problems with finishing. Rosewood is durable when dried properly. However, it is one of the toughest woods. Its color is pink to reddish-brown heartwood, sapwood is creamy to pink. while it has a very hard and heavy density and grain pattern of straight with a fine to medium uniform texture. Its common uses are chair legs and backs, crates, pallets, railroad ties, flooring, food containers, toys, musical instruments, and woodenware. It takes all finishes. Mahogany is one of the most popular hardwood tropical trees. The color darkens over time. As a result, it is a popular choice for furniture. Mahogany wood is prized for its beauty, durability, and color. It is relatively free of voids and pockets. Mahogany's color is reddish-brown to blood red. It has straight grain pattern and is commonly used in high-end furniture, interior millwork, exterior doors, windows, and trim. Its density is medium texture and moderately heavy. The finishing option for mahogany is using sanding and sealer. Well viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces for your home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.